sick. This looks like they're chilling outside.
Hello guys and welcome back. It's Vinny. In today's video we're going to be getting to the Starlight headliner. We're going to go ahead and take the headliner out and then it's going to roll over until tomorrow. We'll start poking those holes. We got homeboy over here sleeping. Look at this fool. Look at him. Sheesh. But yeah. So enjoy the video. Bye bye. Little update. We got the pillar down. That ran out of fucking storage. We got the dome lights out. We got the mic out. We got the other visor, the driver and passenger visor. And we'll take off those pillars, and then the headliner should just come down. Come down. Come down. Got pup. Got bears down here. Got the beer. Yes, sir, ski. Alright, let's get back into it. Yo, it is the next day. So last night, I ended up pulling out the headliner, so there's nothing actually in there anymore. It's just all the wires and dangly bits. We do have homeboy chilling over here again. We have the headliner here. Got pointing too high. Starlights there. I have. Where did they go? Oh, right there. So I wanted to do some initials on the front visor. So it'd be left. That's driver. That's passenger. It's gonna be myself and my girlfriend. So a V and an E. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and just start doing the dots. Yeah, I'm probably gonna set you guys up, do another time-lapse video. And yeah, that's where we're at the moment. Hello. So this is going in the headlight Starlight video. So I waited all day just for this one to get home so she can help me poke some holes and glue some glue. But anyways, we're gonna get fucking baked.
This is our strain. We got dabs.
Come on, there you go. Sheesh.
And this is how she's looking right now.
Yeah,
she's very saucy.
She's really wet.
Yeah, she wet. She kind of.
See if I can help her. There you go.
Yeah. She ushy gushy or whatever.
Hey yo.
And then we got the star of the show, our seahorse. Dab straw.
Yep. Seahorse Pro dab straw. We just got a new coil up in that biatch. We already burnt the shit out of it too. Smash that shit.
They kind of packed it weird, so I hit it from like the side.
I'll hit it from the side too.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like all everywhere. But fuck it. I'm gonna hit it on your same hit.
Okay. It's sativa. It tastes really good.
It's like buttery smooth, bro.
She's smooth like butter.
Alright, so we are going to start putting holes in the headliner, putting up fiber optic cables through the headliner, and dabbing a little bit of glue. Let's get right into it.
I meant like dabbing.
Oh,
yeah.
I'm fucking dead. She would think that too. Perfect. Let me get a glue. Okay, that looks good. How'd that make it look?
It looks good. I think
Yeah.
it should put like 2 more.
2 more at that spot?
Yeah, like one right here. Or like right here or something.
Okay. The lights and see if you can see it a little better.
Okay.
Is there any spots that need filling? That looks kind of good from here.
Yeah, it looks really good. Come look.
I'm looking at it from the outside.
We'll come look at it from the inside.
All right, baby. Oh,
Yeah.
I'm okay with this. I could do one right here.
Yeah.
Can you put your finger right there? Okay. Let's see. This is the best I can get. See that one?
Yeah.
Is that one too far off?
Just a smidge, but it's okay. It doesn't look too bad.
Perfect. Okay. Are you satisfied?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like this one's more brighter, but then you click it. It actually, when you look up, it gets brighter. But like, look to the side. That looks brighter.
This one's definitely brighter.
It's probably because the back ones.
Lay down and look up.
Bruh.
This looks like you're chilling
Why does my voice sound like that?
Because you're a little kid, bro.
I know, but like in IRL, my voice doesn't sound like.
Is that an E?
Yep, it's E for Alexis.
Why not no D for Dom?
Look who's finally home. We can fucking fight. That's perfect, bro. It's perfect. Hold it right there.
And I was just switching my hand
All right, bet.
because the hand I was using was getting tired.
Okay. Let's see here.
You got extra light.
Yep.
Something just added to their story.
That's okay, bro.
Alright. Just wanted to tell you. So you know like that app with the ghost in it? The ghost?
Yeah, Snapchat.
Yeah. Someone just added something to their story. Is that it?
I have a couple more things back here, but that's about it.